Here's a quick update on some of my plants. Here's the bell pepper plants that I've got in my I do 20 pod system. They're all growing great, have plenty of flowers, have a lot of small bell peppers, and they're doing really well. And that's in my 20 pod I do system. I have one micro red robin left. It's at day 128. It's in my Lit Pot LP Max, and it's still producing several tomatoes and lots of new growth and flowers. It's doing really good. This plant's in my Lit Pot LP Max. And here's my California Wonder bell pepper. It's still producing lots of bell peppers. You can see throughout the plant. I probably have 8 or 10 bell peppers, and I've harvested this plant several times, and it's still growing real well. It's I think 128 days old also, and still producing lots of bell peppers. And it's in my outlet 15 pod system. It's a California Wonder, doing really well. And then my I do 8 pod system, I have Ruby Red, and I didn't know what actually was in the bag, but now I realize it's the Swiss Chard. I've harvested both of these plants several times. The Swiss Chard is growing out of control. It just gets higher and higher. And that's in my, I do the 8 pod system. And they're doing really well. And here's my Tiny Tom. I've harvested off of this plant, I don't know how many times, probably 15 or 20 times. I trimmed it all the way back about a month ago, and it was only about 10 inches tall. Now it's grown about 12 or 13 inches tall on the second growing, and it's gotten huge. It's supposed to be the world's smallest tomato plant, but once you trim it back, after you've harvested it several times, it grows really big. That's my Tiny Tom. It's in my arrow garden, the harvest. It's growing real well. Like I said, I've harvested off of this plant, I don't know, 15 or 20 times. And over here is the Merlot Chinese Cabbage. You have to harvest it at least once a week. It's in my arrow garden harvest also. And it grows huge every week. It's doing great. It's still got lots of new growth in there. This is a quick update on all of my plants. Well, several of my plants. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.